Okay, let's center that a little better. So, today we are looking at a really cool one to me. This is one I picked up on Gunbroker a long time ago as well. We're looking at a Smith Wesson model 14. Let's see, I think this is a 14-2. Yes, model 14-2. It is 38 special. And it is the long barrel with the 8 3/8 inches. Could be an 8 and 5/8. I'm not positive which designation they use. I think it's 8 3/8 inches. Could be 8 5/8. I'm really not positive. Could be off on that. This is a really cool piece. It has holster and carry wear. This came from I think it was Midwest or Southwest. So my hunch is it was actually carried and used on a ranch. Just imagine somebody needing to dust a varmint, coyote, or something at distance, and using this bad boy to line up a nice long distance shot. And maybe that's just me being fanciful and nostalgic for a time I did not get to enjoy, but hey, oh, it's such a nice trigger pull too. Single action is just amazing on this gun. Oh, so nice. Double action's nice too. They call these things a Target, the Model 14s, Target Masterpieces. And I can totally understand why. You can occasionally find the short barrel 4-inch ones, but for the most part you're looking at 6-inch Model 14s. So your long barrels are a little less common. I didn't mind this one having the wear and tear. Actually, I found that kind of appealing personally. Just the fact that somebody's carried the long barrel version of this, and it has wear and tear from where somebody probably was saddle riding and this was rubbing against their leg. Could have been hunting with it, and headed out, in a holster and rubbing on their leg. I don't know, but regardless, really cool piece. I think his shop, the shop owner had passed away, and his son was liquidating as much of the inventory as he could, and I just happened to catch it on an auction at a good price on Gunbroker, and of course snapped it up. So wanted to share it with you guys. Thought it was a cool piece. Of course, you got your target sights and your tall front ramp sighting. Got your standard non-target grips on this model, at least this particular example. Just a really cool piece. Like I said, I love this one personally. It's actually one of my favorite revolvers I own, I think. It's a little unwieldy to shoot, honestly, with how long the barrel is. But it definitely is an aid in hitting something at distance, and maybe putting a little extra velocity behind it with the longer barrel. So cool piece. You're going to have a little bit more weight to it, obviously, with the longer barrel, but it is a really cool gun. So anyway, thought I would share it with you guys today. And if you enjoyed this and you want to see more content, I encourage you to like and subscribe, and feel free to comment too. I'm working on my presentation, trying to do a better job with this stuff. I know I can tend to yap a little fast and maybe not be the clearest sometimes, so trying to do a better job on stuff, but also enjoy sharing this stuff with you guys. I figure if I like it, somebody else out there probably does too. So wanted to share it with you guys. All right, well, hope you guys have a good one. Thanks for watching.